In front of me is R2 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Photos app and tapping on Photos or Library at the bottom. Wherever you decided, hold one of your photos you wish to get rid of and use those type of dots at the top right corners to select multiple right away. If you wish to keep some, click on them, and to get rid of the rest, use the delete button at the bottom of Photos section or at the top of your library one. Then you need to hit got it and move to trash. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!